Keep desserts to a minimum. It is great to celebrate and enjoy dessert, but it should be kept to a minimum. Desserts, such as a banana split, contain high amounts of sugar and fat that will sabotage diets. Keep saturated fat to a minimum. A diet high in saturated fat could lead to obesity, high blood pressure, cancer, and other heart disease. It is recommended to keep saturated fat no more than 7% of calorie intake. Kill bacteria with garlic. Garlic is often called nature's antibiotic because 80% of garlic is sulfur compounds such as allicin. These compounds kill bacteria, fungus, and microbes in the digestive tract. Knock out insomnia with lettuce. Yes, lettuce helps with insomnia because it contains a white fluid called lacticarium. This fluid has stress-reducing and calming properties. List lean-cut meats on your grocery list. Purchasing lean-cut meats such as lamb, sirloin steaks, and chicken give you valuable proteins without the excess fat. When needed, you should trim off any visible fat and skin before cooking. Look out for restaurant portion-sized food. In this supersized society, it is common to see large sizes served and advertised in food establishments. The portion size we want for good health is the palm of our hand. Instead, you can order the small size, or you can eat part of it and box it for later. Lower blood pressure with mushrooms. Mushrooms help lower blood pressure because of a compound found in them called lentinin. Mushrooms are also high in calcium and vitamin B, and they are low in fat and calories. Make it hot. Hot, spicy foods, such as cayenne, curry, and chilies, help trigger endorphins. Endorphins are like natural morphine that helps ease pain and provide a sense of well-being. The next time you're feeling a little down or have some minor pain, try eating something spicy. Make meals with extra virgin olive oil. There are many health benefits of using extra virgin olive oil. It lowers bad cholesterol levels, reduces hypertension, high blood pressure, improves glycemic controls, and many more. Make a healthy choice with veggie broth. There are many health benefits in vegetable broth over beef or chicken broth. First, a cup of veggie broth only has 15 calories. Next, veggie broth has the vitalizing ingredients that you would find in veggies.